Can you calculate the area of this rectangle? How many squares does this rectangle have?
9.
9. Then, can you calculate the area?
8.
8. That's right, that's good. There's a little tricky one here. Okay? Can you calculate this area of this polygon? Let's think about it. It's a little tricky, right? Let's copy this polygon on your paper. Okay? I'm gonna give you a hint. Divide this shape like this, in this way. Okay? Then you can divide this shape into two parts. One part is a rectangle, and then a triangle, right? This is the tricky part, right? The triangle.
7.
7, what does it mean? Do you mean the area of this triangle is 7? How did you get the 7? Can you tell me? Uh-huh. Yes, what does that mean? Is the 1. The area of this part is 1. 1, right? You said like that. Is that right? Then 3. You mean 3? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The result is 6 then. Oh, that's good. 1, you mean 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then what's the area of this polygon?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6. 3, that's right. You made a small rectangle to calculate that, but you can make a little bigger one like this. How about that? Then the area of this rectangle is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, right? And to calculate this area, you divide it by 2. You can divide this rectangle by 2. Then it says 4. It's 4, right? And then like this. I gotta do another polygon. Okay? Can you calculate the area of this polygon? Just 1. 18. Show me how to get that number.
1,
Uh-huh.
2, 3.
You are counting the squares, right? 13, 14, and then this shape left, right?
내 생각에는 얘가 이상하게 되는 것 같아.
16. How did you get this number? It looks like a quadrilateral and it looks like a triangle. Am I right? And it's quadrilateral too. So what? I don't get you. What you mean is when we add this triangle and this quadrilateral, it turned into this one square. You still left this triangle and this quadrilateral. How can you calculate this part? Oh, same. So if we add this part and this part, it could be another square. So you got 16? Huh? Okay. It's a good way. But there's another way to calculate this part. You can think about this rectangle first. Okay?
그게 문제는
Then the area of this shape is 6, right? Then you can just divide it in half. Then you can get 3, right?
yes.
So the area of the triangle is 3. Yeah. There's another way to get this area. Think of this big rectangle.
Wow.
Subtract this area and this area from 35. You can get. Am I right? You can get this area. Huh? There's another way to get this area of this shape. Which square would be the bottom of this box? When you fold it down. 5. Which number would be the bottom of this box?
I don't know.
You don't know? Why? Can't you fold this one?
No.
You can fold, then I think you could know the.
이렇게 잡았으면 이거 저렇게 잡을
Yes, but it's a box, you know? It's a box. It's a box. You don't put like this, okay? It's not a bottom. It's a bottom. This part is a bottom because you put the box like this, in this way, right? Huh? Number 3 is the bottom of this box. That's correct. You got it right, Zejo. Which square would be the bottom of this box? Which square? Huh? Let's fold this.
Well, it's too easy.
It's too easy. What's the answer then?
I think it's 5.
5. That's correct.